To begin setting up your MySQL server replication, the first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have the MySQL server as well as the MySQL client installed on both machines. So to do that, we will do sudo apt-get update to update all of our repositories. And then we will run sudo apt-get install MySQL server and MySQL client. And this will download all of the packages, including the dependencies, and install them. I would recommend setting a default password as your for your root administrator. And so I will do that now. And then re-enter the same password as confirmation. All right, and then to confirm that the MySQL installation was successful, you can check all of the processes and grep on MySQL to see that the MySQL daemon is running. And then you'll need to secure your MySQL installation. So with using the sudo user, you'll need to run sudo MySQL secure installation. And here you will enter the password that you entered during the previous command for root user. And then it will ask you a number of questions. And so we will set no for validating the password. We don't want to change the root password as we've already set it. We do want to remove anonymous users. We do want to allow remote login for root as this machine is used on a virtual box. However, if you wanted to limit that access, you can select no or yes, depending on how your configuration is set up. So I'm going to set no for my installation. We do want to remove the test database because we don't have a need for it. And we do want to reload the privileges that were just set. Alright, and then now everything is done. Now you can log into your MySQL database. And then when prompted, enter your password. And then you can see all of the databases on your system. If this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at AlmostENGR.